Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be looking at another of Canva's awesome apps called the Frame Maker. This is a fantastic app. It's still being tweaked and developed by the original creator. So we're going to go and have a look at it and see what we can do with the Frame Maker. Right, here we are on my Canva dashboard. I'm going to head over to the app section. You know it's on the left-hand side, and type in Frame Maker in my search bar. It's actually come up here, Frame Maker. It's this one here. It's the one with the frame on it that has the white cloud, blue sky, green hills. As we know in Canva, anything that has these in, you can add a block color, a video, or an image. So we are going to create our own frames in Canva. Use it in an existing design. If you've already got one in place that you want to add this into, you can do that. Or you can use it in a new design and choose your sizing. I'm going for my Instagram post. I love my squares. And over on the left-hand side, the information will appear for the frame maker. Now, the first one, create, we have convert as well, but we are going to go with create. It gives you lots of points. Okay, you've got all these dots. Now you can drag out your frame to any of these dots if you want to. You can click anywhere on here, double click, and it will add in more dots for you. These are different points that you can use to drag out your frame. Now, it looks a bit like Pac-Man. I'm going to add another one here and pull it out slightly. So you can see you can create funky shapes. I can add another one here and pull it in if I want to. And I'm making what looks like a motorbike helmet frame. That's beginning to look like a motorbike helmet frame there. Not intentional. This is just me playing with the dots and making a shape. Now you can remove a point if you want to. Remove a point and it brings up all these crosses and you can just click which ones you want to get rid of, then click done. You've also got a grid snapping section. So you've noticed we've got all these squares and it will snap into the next dot along, or any of the dots, it snaps automatically into them. We can turn that off and this makes it a lot smoother. So now I can add it anywhere I want. I can add in more dots and I can make it smoother if I want to. I can make this more rounded now using the snap, or the grid snapping feature has gone. I'll add in another dot. I'll pull that one there. There's one there. So I can now make it a lot smoother if I want to. And I can add my points wherever I want them to go. We also have different shape options. So if I click see all, you can actually start with a shape. You don't have to create from scratch. As you remember, it was a triangle shape to begin with, but you can choose a different shape if you want. When you are done, you can click add to design, and it has added my very strange motorbike helmet shape frame. I'm sure you can do tons better than this, but this is just to show you what you can do with it. The next option here, convert. Okay, to convert any design into a Canva frame with Canva Frame Maker Pro. So you have to get a pro account from the frame maker to be able to use any image to turn it into a shape. Okay, so this is the frame maker page. You can get it free, unlimited shapes, free forever. But if you want to convert designs into shapes yourself, you will have to pay $9.99. There's a 7-day free trial. So please go and try that if you want to. You can then do that. But at the moment, it is a paid subscription. Okay. So I'll go back to this. We can go back to create. We can change the shape. Lots of different shapes here, which you can then manipulate to whatever shape you want. Or if you want to actually create a shape from an image, so we could have a shape of a cat, as in this photo, you will have to go over and sign up and start a new account with this company here. Like I say, it's a 7-day free trial, but there is a $9.99 payment for it. Entirely up to you if that's what you want to do. I quite like the free one, and I quite like being able to create shapes myself. So that is it. This is a really simple one because it is literally a shape that you can then manipulate to however you want it. And it's a fun one to do. So if you wanted to create a motorbike helmet or any other shape that you can think of for your designs, or you just wanted something to play with that's a bit different, you could come and use the frame maker. There we go. I hope you've enjoyed that. Just a quick video on how to create your own shape, your own frame in Canva. Don't forget, come and join my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe. You'll get access to all of my videos. And again, like I've said before in other videos, if you have enjoyed this and you do create something fun, come over to my Facebook group, Create on Canva, and share what you have done into the group. That's it.